I'm Erich Lanz. I'm the Director of Warehousing and Inventory here at LayerZero. Materials is the heart and center, we'll say, of all production. For me, one of the most exciting parts about it is the amount that you get to do, the amount you get to grow, and the amount you get to own within materials. Especially with the growth that LayerZero has seen, there has never been a more fantastic time to be a part of the material handling group because we've got so many opportunities in terms of different processes that we're putting into place, places we want to go. We have a wonderful opportunity to be really involved in it all.
My name is Andrew Ziska. I'm the material handlers lead at the Phillip facility.
My name is Reggie Carter. My role here at LayerZero is driver/material handler.
The way I look at material handling is we are the lifeline for LayerZero. If it wasn't for us touching the parts, they would not get what they needed to build these units.
Most of the day, I'm pulling parts, running parts to various departments, and handling any issues we may have as far as parts, getting to the line, getting to other buildings, communicating the ETA on parts that we don't have.
I like the flexibility of being able to start and stop things and move around and the variety of things. I do everything from putting large transformers into units with a tow motor to putting away simple little nuts, bolts, screws.
They depend on me to deliver these parts and make sure it gets to where it needs to go. So it's flexibility where you can work as a team, where also you can own it yourself and be responsible for it.
The team and work environment here at LayerZero is phenomenal. I've never seen so many people that are passionate about what we are trying to do here.
The most rewarding part of my job, I would say, is being able to grow and being able to learn something new every day.
It's good to come into an environment where we have multiple layers and levels of people that care about what we're doing here.
This company is growing so fast, which allows me to have opportunities to grow with the company.
It's a really great place to work. They really take care of you here, and they are people driven.
If you want to work here at LayerZero, I would recommend anyone who's trying to get with a company that's growing fast and very high pace and like to stay busy. LayerZero is a good company to get into and start a new career.